Hi Knoxville, this is Steve with Pinky's Handyman. I'm here with Spencer and we just completed this deck job. Congratulations, it looks amazing. Tell me a little bit about wrapping this up, some of the challenges you ran into, and what do you like best about the deck?
So starting from the beginning, we put in these footers. We've got them nice and deep below your frost line. Everything's nice and sturdy. We've got 6x6 posts holding up this thing. All of our floor joists are set at 12 on center, so this thing's going absolutely nowhere.
And this is it's solid. It's beautifully built.
Yep. So we've got all of our deck boards laid straight across, no seams. Everything's nice and seamless. A couple of issues we ran into is last time we talked about it, we ran into some issues with rain. We ran into issues with some deliveries that weren't on time. And so this project took a little bit longer than normal, but in the end, it came together very nice. We love everything's matching. Our balusters match the existing deck. And we ended up putting in this piece right here, and it is an attached platform for our pool ladder. I think it looks beautiful. Great, and this thing is not going anywhere.
Very sturdy. It's going to be easy and give them something to anchor to getting in and out of the pool. So that was a great little add-on there. And I just talked to the homeowner, and they are going to have their grandkids over this weekend, and she was saying how excited she was and that her grandkids just want to jump off this deck. So I know that they're going to appreciate this deck for many years to come. So Spencer, I wanted to thank you and Carlos for all the great work that you've done on this deck. The homeowners were really excited. And what was that?
And that's what we care about here at Pinky's. We care about the family-centered environment and just having these grandkids over. That's exactly what we want to see. We love to have some family time here at Pinky's.
Yeah. Hopefully they'll invite us over to jump into the pool.
Yeah, we're family now.
Yeah, we're family now. So let's wrap this video up. Again, I am Steve with Pinky's Handyman, and
I'm Spencer
with
Pinky's Handyman.
You see, we're both Pinky's Handyman. And if you have a deck project you want to get worked on, or if a repair, reach out to Pinky's Handyman, because we pinky promise
you'll love our work.